Here we go. Ready? Oh, who's better than me? Yeah. Well, hey, it's almost impossible for me to film me trying to carve out this this shell. I'm gonna do the best I can. I'm just gonna point it back down to show you what I've been doing. I messed up another piece. Third one I screwed up, but that's alright because it's still a good practice block. Now you see where it's relieved on the top of this, and you see how these are coming down into plane. This is what I really want to get to, you know what I'm saying? But I think I made a mistake in here and I just couldn't pull out of it. So I've been at it some more. And so my approach changed on this one down here. And what I decided to do, right, was I decided that I wanted to get the outside shape first. So I got this pretty much close where it wants to go. This is going to get rounded over, and this whole thing is going to be rounded, you know. And then I got a chisel, a gouge, whatever, and I stab cut all the way around. Now I don't want to relieve this yet because I still need to follow my line. And then I started to carve it. Okay. Now I have a back bent. Oops, sorry. See, this is almost impossible. It's friggin' irritating too, guys. So I got a back bent, you know, but it's kind of a pain in the ass. And to be honest with you, this chisel kind of works the best. This is really gnarly grain. Now you see how I'm going down on this side of the curve, and I'm going with the grain. Now I can't do that on this side because I'd be going against the grain. You know what I'm saying to you? It's like you're with the grain on this side and you're against the grain on that side. Don't ask me, you know, I'm just, you see how I can't go up this way because I'll be tearing out all that grain right there. You guys follow what I'm saying to you? So I'm coming down on this side. See? But I really can't come down on this side here because I'd be going against the grain. So I have to come up on this side of it. You follow what I'm saying to you? I mean, I get it close with the chisel, and then I can kind of round it over with a back bent. See how it's up one side and down the other? You know what I mean? So this has been my challenge so far. And I haven't made one of these in like 5 years, so I'm kind of struggling about. Now I don't even know if you can see the top of it. You must be able to. Yeah, see how the top of it's kind of got a flat right there? So I'm just trying to take the material out so it slopes nicely and then it comes down, and that's why it gets, you know, stab cut below this part of it. You know what I mean? So all I've been doing basically is just trying to clean out this material lightly. You see? I'm just kind of turning the chisel. Now this one right here is really tough because that's all end grain. Now look at the grain direction. I mean, it's kind of gnarly stuff. So this is the challenge for the day. Look at that, I got a bullseye right there, a little swirly stuff. You can see all the grains changing direction down this side of the carving. It's gonna make for a very difficult day for me. So I tried with the back bent. I really did, and I just seem to struggle with it. Oh, I don't know what the problem is. I'm not a carver. That's probably the problem. Nor a photographer. I'm trying to get it so you guys might be able to see, you know. But it's impossible. I'd have to have the helmet cam on or something. Alright, now I come back with a V-tool a little bit. I mean, you know, guys, I'm really not a carver, so I'm just winging it, you know. There's maybe a carver watching this, like, throwing up over my terrible technique. But I think you can see it's starting to come to life, you know? Maybe not. What do you think? Oh boy. Alright, I mean, I'm just going to be doing this for a long time. See if I can get this one. So I started in the middle where it was easier, and they just tapered nicely. Now they're kind of going around the corner, which adds to the complexity of the carving. Alright, I think you get the picture. You know what I mean? That's what it takes. It takes a lot of just taking it easy. You know, and it's very important to keep this stuff sharp, okay? So I have the tool mic over there and I just continually buff it down on that wheel. This one feels a little dull as a matter of fact. So that's that, guys. That's how you do it. Let me pull it out. And you know what? Oops, sorry. It looks good. You know? You can see how it's like, it's getting there. It's a little ragged and rough right here, but you know, it's mostly just the way that the grain looks. You see the grain texture? It's got a big swirl on it. Man, that camera's awesome. The grain has a big swirl on it, so it's an optical illusion when I'm carving it that it's the carving that's really messed up, but it's not. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay? Let's do it.